Number 1. 1979 Pontiac Lemons Grand Coupe, $9,500, Paterson, New Jersey. A rare survivor from the late 70s, this 1979 Pontiac Grand Lemons is a clean, well-preserved, full-size coupe with just 78,000 original miles. It retains its original Pontiac 301 V8 engine, paired with a TH3 53-speed automatic transmission, known for its durability. A Flowmaster dual exhaust system adds a throaty, classic muscle car sound, while the 15-inch rally wheels enhance both the stance and vintage aesthetic. Inside, the car remains largely original, with its factory trim mostly intact and the addition of an aftermarket radio for improved comfort and usability. The body shows well with solid panels, presentable paint, and shiny chrome trim. There are no visible signs of major rust or damage, making it a standout in its class. This Pontiac is being sold due to medical reasons, not mechanical issues, offering a turnkey classic that's ready to cruise or be lightly refreshed. A great buy for anyone seeking a rare, largely unmolested slice of late-70s Americana. Number 2. 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 4-door. For $1,000 OBO, Virginia Beach, Virginia. This 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 is a nearly complete 4-door project car with a lot of heavy lifting already done. Under the hood, the engine has been professionally rebuilt with new pistons, bearings, gaskets, and fuel system components, laying a strong mechanical foundation. The floors have been coated in POR 15 to prevent rust, and a new carpet kit has been installed. Significant upgrades include a $450 fuel tank and $950 All-American coilovers, both recently fitted. The car comes with all exterior trim pieces. Some still need to be installed, intact glass, and a clean title. Minor issues to address. There's a pinhole leak in the front engine cover, a split seam in the headliner, and age/dry seals that may cause small leaks. The brakes function but should be refreshed with new drums and shoes before hitting the road. Overall, it's a great base for a restoration, with much of the hard work already documented and completed. Number 3. 1966 Dodge Dart Aero Sedan 4-door. For $1,500, Agawam, Massachusetts. A true Mopar rarity, this 1966 Dodge Dart Aero Sedan is a running and driving project that offers a solid start for any restoration or custom build. The car starts, moves, and stops, and the floors are solid. A big win for vehicles of this era. All windows and glass are intact, and the body is mostly complete. While it may show its age cosmetically, this Dart presents a rare opportunity to own a less common 4-door Aero model that's getting harder to find. It's ideal for someone looking for a reliable starting point with plenty of old-school charm. Owner is helping a friend sell, so please be patient with communication. Trades are considered with a preference for toys or a car trailer. Number 4. 1974 Chevrolet Impala Coupe Mild Custom, $8,600, Fountainville, Pennsylvania. This 1974 Chevy Impala Coupe stands out as a mild custom cruiser with tasteful visual upgrades and solid mechanicals. It features Nova-style tuck bumpers, a custom hideaway headlight grille, and a strong-running 350 V8 paired with reliable TH3 50 automatic transmission. Though not a show car, this Impala is a dependable driver with great visual character and a smooth ride. The custom touches give it an aggressive, cleaned-up look without straying too far from its big-body GM roots. The seller is asking $8,600 OBO and is open to interesting trades, including SUVs or small trucks. A great option for any GM fan looking for a classic with personality and potential. Number 5. 1963 Ford Galaxy 500, $3,000, Westerly, Rhode Island. A budget-friendly classic that's ready to run. This 1963 Ford Galaxy 500 features a dependable 352 V8 that starts, runs, drives, and stops. The car has been recently fitted with brand-new Cooper Cobra tires mounted on new Vision wheels, giving a refreshed stance and street appeal. The body is straight and shows good bones, making a strong candidate for a cosmetic restoration or patina-style cruiser. The trunk is packed with extra parts, which adds tremendous value for someone planning a gradual restoration. For just $3,000, this Galaxy offers an affordable way into the world of full-size American classics, whether for weekend cruising, light restoration, or hot rod potential. Number 6. 1975 Chevrolet Caprice convertible, $9,800, Oil City, Pennsylvania. An absolute head-turner, an ideal warm-weather cruiser. This 1975 Chevrolet Caprice convertible is a true survivor with only 29,000 original miles. Finished in a vibrant factory-correct color. The body is reported to be free of any scratches, dents, rust, or prior accident damage, making it one of the cleanest examples of its kind on the market. Under the hood lies a strong 400 cubic inch V8, paired with a smooth-shifting 3-speed automatic transmission. The engine bay appears well-kept and original, with no known mechanical issues or leaks. The power top operates flawlessly, and the frame, floors, and trunk are all solid. This Caprice is truly turnkey, perfect for weekend drives, parades, or summer car shows. A rare chance to own a big-body convertible from the last years of full-size American drop-tops in exceptional unrestored condition. Number 7. 1971 Lincoln Continental Mark III, $8,000, Manassas, Virginia. Dripping in vintage luxury and presence, this 1971 Lincoln Continental Mark III exemplifies the personal luxury coupe era with its powerful 460 cubic inch V8, smooth automatic transmission, and classic rear-wheel drive platform. It features power steering, power brakes, and a leather interior, making it both comfortable and capable of long, effortless cruising. The Mark III's bold front grille, hidden headlights, and formal roofline make it one of the most distinctive designs of the early 1970s. This particular car appears to be well preserved, with no mention of rust or mechanical issues, and retains much of its original grandeur. Ideal for collectors or those who appreciate a plush, commanding ride, this Lincoln is priced right for its condition and presence, a symbol of American excess in its most elegant form. Number 8. 1988 Ford Bronco 2 4x4, $5,500 OBO, Millersville, Maryland. A great mix of classic SUV styling and off-road capability. This 1988 Ford Bronco 2 4x4 is a compact, rugged utility vehicle equipped with a V6 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. The 4-wheel drive system works properly, and the vehicle starts, runs, and drives well, making a solid candidate for trail duty or a retro daily driver. It currently shows 95,000 miles on the odometer, and while it's largely dependable, the owner notes occasional battery issues, possibly from a parasitic draw or weak battery. This minor issue aside, the Bronco 2 presents no major mechanical faults, and its compact size makes it ideal for both urban driving and weekend getaways. Priced at $5,500 OBO, it's a great light project for a DIYer or a practical vintage SUV for those seeking old-school charm of modern drivability. Number 9. 1965 Rambler American Hardtop, $10,000 firm, Newtown, Connecticut. With just over 39,000 original miles, this 1965 Rambler American 2-door hardtop is a rare, well-preserved survivor that retains its original engine, mostly original paint, and a host of factory features. Originally sold in Milwaukee and later relocated from Texas, it shows minimal rust history and has been thoughtfully maintained. Recent mechanical work includes rebuilt carburetor, new brakes and tires, transmission leak repair, full tune-up, repaired trunk rust and replace mat, refinished original steel wheels. The interior is in excellent shape and all lights and gauges work, except for the fuel gauge, which tends to float between 3/4 and full. The car is equipped with desirable period options, including an automatic transmission, push-button AM radio, glove box and trunk lights, and even a tissue dispenser. This Rambler represents a seldom-seen slice amid 60s American economy car history, offering a clean and nostalgic experience for collectors or vintage weekend cruisers. Number 10. 1959 Edsel Ranger, $6,900, Palm Harbor, Florida. A quirky and underappreciated classic, the 1959 Edsel Ranger is a conversation piece wherever it goes. With its iconic and controversial front-end design, this Ranger is powered by an inline-six engine mated to a 3-speed manual transmission, appealing to fans of vintage simplicity. The car appears to be in driver-quality condition, offering solid vintage styling at an affordable price point. While no major mechanical issues are reported, prospective buyers may wish to inspect for typical wear on a vehicle of this vintage. At just $6,900, it's a budget-friendly entry into a world of 1950s Americana, perfect for someone looking to stand out at local shows or enjoy a slice of Ford's most infamous era. Number 11. 1964 Thunderbird Super Coupe, $10,900, Hornell, New York. A striking example of early personal luxury, this 1964 Thunderbird Super Coupe delivers both classic styling and capable performance. Powered by the Y-Code 352 cubic inch V8, paired to a Cruiser-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission and a 3.10 rear end, this Bird cruises effortlessly and idles with confidence. The leather interior is in excellent condition, offering comfort and originality that's hard to find at this price point. While the car does show signs of its Western New York heritage, such as light patina or possible minor wear from age, it's still a strong-running vehicle that's currently benefiting from ongoing improvements. Expect the price to increase as work continues. If you're looking for a turnkey driver that commands attention with its bold design and effortless presence, this Thunderbird delivers. It's located at La Max in Hornell, New York, with the title ready to go. Number 12. 1989 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, $7,500, Hamden, Connecticut. A clean and well-preserved example of late-80s GM comfort. This 1989 Chevrolet Caprice Classic showcases a timeless design paired with everyday usability. Powered by a 5.0L V8, it offers a smooth ride and plenty of highway cruising power. The gold exterior shines, the interior is spotless, and the overall presentation reflects consistent care and garage storage. With a clean title and strong cosmetics both inside and out, this Caprice is a solid investment for those seeking a low-maintenance classic with modern drivability. Whether you're looking for a reliable vintage daily driver or a stylish weekend cruiser, this Caprice hits the mark, ideal for new collectors or GM fans alike. Number 13. 1966 Plymouth Valiant 100, $8,500, Selden, New York. A true testament to Mopar reliability, this 1966 Plymouth Valiant 100 is in excellent condition and runs as well as it looks. Under the hood is the iconic 170Ci slant-six engine, mated to an automatic transmission, an efficient and dependable setup. With 98,000 miles, this Valiant remains rust-free, including the chassis and body panels, a rare find for a northeastern car of this era. The car is mechanically sorted with several recent upgrades. New battery. New exhaust system with Flowmaster 40 muffler adds a crisp, deep tone. Fresh oil and filter change. All gauges are functional, and the car is ready for weekend drives, cars and coffee events, or casual shows. A turnkey cruiser with vintage charm, backed by a clean title and a no-hassle ownership experience. Number 14. 1972 Ford LTD convertible, $7,500, Waynesboro, Virginia. A full-size classic with a commanding road presence, this 1972 Ford LTD convertible is a well-preserved original survivor showing only 70,000 miles. Powered by a robust V8, it runs and drives well, though it would benefit from fine-tuning the carburetor and addressing a slow-dripping front transmission seal. Both minor items are mechanically inclined. The body and trim appear to be in good condition, making this LTD a fantastic candidate for a light restoration, repaint, or mechanical refresh. Perfect for summer drives, local cruisings, or parade duty, this LTD represents vintage drop-top fun at an accessible price. With its big body feel, classic American luxury lines, and affordable entry cost, it's hard to go wrong here. Number 15, 1970 Chrysler Newport, no engine/trans, $850, Atco, New Jersey. This 1970 Chrysler Newport is being sold as a roller project or parts donor and offers great value for anyone seeking hard-to-find big Mopar body parts. Though it lacks an engine and transmission, it comes with an 8 3/4 rear axle, original fender tag, and clean title, making it an appealing shelf for a build or parts haul. The body and floors are mostly solid, but there are some areas of rust on the frame rails and trunk pan. It rolls and steers freely, simplifying transport, and the interior, especially the rear seat, is in very nice condition, with parts that are increasingly rare and expensive on the open market. At just $850, this Newport represents great value for Mopar restorers needing parts, builders looking for a base, title hunters in need of legitimate VIN and paperwork,